morning, Jetty Rockers. Welcome back to Jetty Rocks Fishing. I'm Captain Mike D. I'm out here today. I'm on a charter. I got Mike and Braden, right?
Yes, sir.
I got the name right. We're out here today. We're just about 10 miles offshore. We're gonna stay here for a little bit, see what this weather's gonna do. We got a bad storm out in the distance. A little bit of wind. We got 150 live shrimp. And let's see what we can get into, y'all. Wish us luck. Jetty Rockers, if you could go ahead and go over to jettyrocks.com. You can check out some of these cool hats that we have over there. We also have some tackle available, and we will have more available soon. And also, guys, if you want to book a charter with me, you can book a charter there, because I am now running charters. So all my information is on that website, so go check it out, y'all. And you can be in your own very own Jetty Rocks fishing video. I hope to see you guys soon out on the water with me. Let's get back to the video. Let's see what we got first fish here. We got vermilion. It's a doggone red one. Red snapper. What do we got here? There we go. There's a lane. We got a lane snapper.
There we go.
We got the salmons. And yes, y'all, I am fishing. Clients want me to fish with them. So they'll be giving me a bunch of grief in the comment section.
In the box, Cap.
I think that's a red. I think that's a red one. I think that's a red one. I'll take a guess. It's a red. Yep. Yeah, I have to take a guess. And it's time to make a move. Let's see what we got here. If it's red, we're moving.
Red.
We're moving.
You. Thought you were endangered.
Yeah. Supposed to be endangered, but apparently they're not. All right, y'all, we're gonna make a move. Got a good one. Caps, I got a good one. Blue runner or something?
Yeah. Oh no, I got sharks or something around it.
Oh, it's a cuda.
Oh, I got a cuda. I got a cuda.
That's a big cuda.
Right, get the line up. Ah, he broke me off.
Yeah.
That's a huge cuda.
Two big ones. Two big cudas.
Put a piece of wire or something in.
Yeah, I got a rod set up just for cudas.
Let's see what Cap's got.
I got a red one.
Red. I don't know what fish I had on.
He had a blue runner.
Was it blue one?
Yeah.
I still see that. They don't go away too much.
No, they don't. They'll stick around.
The cooties.
Another red one.
Here we go.
Let me see your rod. I'll re-rig you. What we got? What we got? What we got? Get him up! Get him up! Get him to me! Get him! Get him up! Get him up! Get him to me! Fish. Or you can just let him go. That's a good fish.
Got something nice.
That's a good fish.
Gotta be red.
That's a blue runner. I don't see the barracudas like we did before though,
No,
but we'll put one out there.
we don't get blue runners that big quite.
Oh,
quite that
dude,
big
we get
by
them
us.
way bigger than this. We've been getting them out here up to 5 pounds.
Get out of here.
Swear to God. There you go. He's still on there. If you don't, he's gonna get eaten though. Gotta keep him coming. He's gonna get.
Come on, bro. Come on.
There we go. Almost acting like a blue runner. You got him coming now. That's a blue runner.
Something's chasing it.
It's a big blue runner. That's one of the big ones I was telling you about.
Shit.
That's what I was telling you. You didn't believe me, did you?
And there was something chasing it, unless another blue runner was with it. I had no idea they got that big.
Oh, they get bigger. They get bigger than that. They get bigger than that. Now they're not bad sushi fish if you like poke bowls and stuff like that. That's up to you.
I like bait better.
Bait better. He's a little bit too big to use for bait, but let him go or keep him.
Nah, I can't get rid of it.
That's a good one.
Like a runner, I do.
Another runner.
I think so.
Acting like a runner. He's acting like a runner. Nothing around him. Nothing around him.
It's hard to tell. I didn't see a shadow.
I didn't see nothing around him. So we got doubles up over here. We got our red one.
Redder. And they keep swallowing the hook.
Not supposed to swallow circle hooks, that's what they say anyway. And what do you got? You might have something different. You might.
I think I got something different.
No, you got a red one. Double red. Grunt.
I'm not a grunt.
Can't get away from the red ones today.
You know.
He's still acting red, yeah.
No, it's trigger.
No kidding.
Trigger.
Oh, little trigger. Nice.
I don't think.
Yeah, he's definitely not 12. But hey, it's another trigger. Second trigger of the day. Beautiful fish.
Brad, you want to get a picture? You don't need a big bait. Oh, is that trigger? What is this?
What is that?
That's a red.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Decent
Nice
one.
one, no?
Not a bad one at all. Alright. Looks like we're going to make another move. Can't get away from grunts and red snapper. It's a nice one though.
Not too shabby. Ah! Oh, nice. Give yourself a concussion.
Right on the deck. Flavor. It's a lane. Yep. Alright, cool.
How did he swallow that when I basically just let it drop to the bottom and pulled it in?
Oh, they just scarf it. Let me open that up real quick. Alright. Boom. Second lane in the box. Got another lane.
Fish for some sharks. Pig fish.
Got a lane. So is that 3 or 4? That's 3. Hope this is a lane. I hope. It's a lane. Alright. It's number 4 lane. Oh, another lane. Acting lane-ish. Be a lane. It's a nice one. There we go. Alright.
Good thing we got captain fishing, otherwise we'd be starving for dinner.
I don't think it's a grunt. What you got? A blue runner. Throw him in the cooler. That's shark bait. That's definitely shark bait.
I guess there's nothing to throw him behind the boat now for him.
Oh yeah. There we go. Ooh, what is that? I think I got me another one. Blue runner. Yeah, I think there's another one right here. Yeah, another blue runner. That's great shark bait.
There you go.
Very cool. Very nice. I like the right one. It's the right one.
There you go, buddy.
Nice.
Sweet.
Good one. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
All right. Got one here.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Yep.
Lane snapper. You got him looking.
Right in the eye.
You caught him looking.
Ah!
There we go. All righty. Here's number 7. Nice one. Awesome. Good job, brother. Another lane. Another lane. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Laney.
Another lane. All right. That's 8. All right, buddy. All right. 2 more. We got a 1-man limit. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know what I got. I hope I got a lane. I got a lane.
Another lane.
Boom. Got a grunty grunt. Alrighty, another lane. I think it's gonna be a nice lane. That's a nice lane right there, buddy.
Biggest little box.
That's a good one. That's a good one. He's blooding everywhere. Alright guys, we got a 1-man limit on lane snapper. Boom. I think we got a lane right here. Come on, what you got? What you got? What you got? Blue runner.
Shark bait.
Shark bait. Ooh ha ha. Alright y'all, well we limited out on lane snapper. So now we're shark fishing. See if we can get a shark. Alright y'all, well we came inshore a little bit. We have a little bit of time left in catching those sharks. The first fish caught a nice little mutton snapper. See you later, buddy. Sweet. Small mango. Yeah, small mango. Small Grover. Yep, look at him. Dang, that sucker might be 10 inches.
That's a good size.
Yeah, it might actually work. Swallowed my doggone. Holy cow, dude. Almost 11.
Wow.
All right. We're only allowed 5 since we have 10 lanes. We can only keep 5 mangoes. But that'd be kind of cool to,
Yeah.
to get 5 mangoes. Yeah. Wow. Hooked up again.
There you go.
Another mango.
Okay.
No. I don't think he's gonna make it. Ow. Nope. No. That's a good one right here. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a really nice one. Yeah, he blasted you, man. I don't know what that was you had, but he blasted you.
I want to say it's probably a jack, but
Fish, I believe. They're gonna be a keeper mango. Yep, that's gonna be a keeper mango. All right, pretty sure it's gonna be a keeper. Did you get that on a dead shrimp?
yeah.
Well, see if we can get one more dead one. I think there's 2 more dead ones in there. Yeah, he's a keeper mango. Snapper attack in this box, I'm telling you. You got another one.
Come on.
Is that gonna be another keeper?
Come on.
Oh, a sheep head. That was sheep's head. Nice one. Yeah, if he's 12 inches, he's a keeper. Holy cow. Can't complain about that too much. We just stopped here just to goof off.
Nah,
Just shy.
Oh, I don't know. I'm fighting the fucker.
It's a 12-inch sheephead, bud. That's a keeper. That's crazy. Alright, I got something. Oh wow, I got hooked up, hung up. I got hung up. Well, I got him out. Wow, how did I get that fish out of there? That's crazy.
What, a branch under there or something?
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
We swallowed it. Mahara.
Is that really skinny fish and more meat on it than you expect?
Oh, there's a lot more meat on it than you expect. But yeah, it's a little Mahara.
Very cool. Never even seen one.
Yeah. Snook candy, actually.
Is it?
To be honest with you.
There's one.
Cool.
Right there behind the...
All right, y'all. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Very slow to start. Not gonna lie, it was a very, very slow day to start. Went out 20 miles. Got a couple of blue runners. Hooked up with the Barracuda. Couldn't find the vermilions. Couldn't find the lanes out there. So we came back in a little bit closer, about 7-8 miles off the beach. We ended up limiting out on lane snapper. The weather started kicking up a little bit. Went and tried for sharks for a little while. No luck on the sharks. Came inshore. And we caught three keeper mangs, a mutton, a nice sheep's head, and a Mahara. So 25 fish for the day. Can't complain. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Till we see y'all again, tight lines, Jetty Rockers. We'll see you guys on the next one. Say goodbye to my birds. Got my buddies out here.